this is how we jive mass communication. I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you display comparison between iPhone 12 and iPhone 13. You can see here I have iPhone 12, that is old version of iPhone, and at the same time you have iPhone 13 here. This is the new version of iPhone. So I'm gonna make a display comparison between these two grandmaster. So I will unlock my phone one by one. Let's see. Here we go. An iPhone 13 as well. You see both the phones side by side, they have beautiful display, both of them 6.1 inches with the same PPI, 460 PPI. Only the generation is different, resolution is almost same. We're gonna talk about that later. First of all, let me open some app to show you how they look side by side. Let me open here Facebook, for example, in this, Facebook in this. Okay, you see the color and other things in both of them. One most important thing, let me see you see the brightness, I put in minimum. You see the brightness, almost they have the same. I put little bit up here. Okay, with the same type of brightness. So you can see the color in the Facebook, how they look. So wide, how much readable. In my naked eye, they look the same. There is not a big difference in between these two. You see the color and all that. Let's go to open to verify them or analyze them more detail. I will go to YouTube and this one too, and I will put a normal video. In this case I go to Sky News. Here we go, and in these two is Sky News. Okay, this is Sky News. I will put the live version. Here we go, both of them. I will put full screen. Here we go. So you can see directly both of the display. Let me make them full. You see the full screen. You can see the color, temperature of the skin and all that. Now go to the setting to see the quality. Here we go. HD quality, you see 1080p. Cancel this one. In this also HD quality, you can see they're almost the same. Very identical display. Not a big difference in the color or the temperature. So beautiful display, both of them, there is no doubt. Now we're gonna open some more high content. We'll search for 4K 8K content. Let me put here 4K nature. In these two, you see the color, magnificent. Few second delay one to another. For me, they are absolutely same. They're not a difference at all. They are the same. So if you want to buy a phone little bit cheaper, you can buy iPhone 12 in this case. And if you want last version, you can go for iPhone 13. But you'll not see a big difference in display. Now let's update the quality. Here we go. Auto, this is Ultra HD, I think. You see I have 1440p in this. That is a top notch quality here. Let's see in this one as well, 1400. Okay, now what I will do, I will open 8K video. Let's see it at the same time. 8K. Look at these people. Magnificent view of 8K in both phones. They are the same. Almost same, the color, balance and all that. Let's check here the quality. Okay, auto. Advanced option, I put maximum. You can see here 2160. That is a maximum quality in this quality advanced option. I'm surprised this phone a great phone. iPhone 12 is coming with 6.1 inch display, that is 1170 to 2532 pixel, 460 ppi. On the other hand, iPhone 13 is coming with same display, 6.1, 1170 to 2532 pixel, that is 460 ppi. So they are exactly the same phone with the same type of battery and RAM. Now we'll do few things. Let's see. Let's increase the brightness to the maximum. This is medium brightness. Let's see if they allow me from here. No, this one allow me. So I put 70% brightness on this. So iPhone 13, I don't know, they should allow me from here. Neither this part, they not allow me. So I have to go outside to manage the brightness. I put 70% in this and return back to the app, play again. So both of them at the moment, they have 70% of brightness of the screen. You can see, guys. Now I will put 100% brightness, total brightness of iPhone 12, you see here. And iPhone 13, I have to go out and slide from here, put maximum brightness and come back here as well. So you see, these are the maximum brightness of these two phones. Although after putting maximum brightness, iPhone 13 I think has little bit more light. In my naked eye I can see that. You guys decide, but they are very much identical. There's not a big differences. So if you want to buy a budget phone, you can buy iPhone 12. You have to pay $100 to $200 less. And if you want to go for the last version, then buy iPhone 13. That is awesome and magnificent phone. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye.